Welcome student. So, in this period we are going to study about the development of the endosperm. So, we will see first of all what are the post fertilization changes. In the last period we have studied about the double fertilization. Then what are the changes after the process of fertilization. The first change is that the ovary it gets transformed into fruit. ट्रान्सफॉर्म म्हणजे त्याचं रूपांतर होणे, ओव्हरीचं रूपांतर फ्रूटमध्ये होत असतं. सेकंड, ओव्ह्यूल गेट्स ट्रान्सफॉर्म्ड इंटू सीड, ओव्ह्यूल्स रूपांतर सीडमध्ये होतं. द वॉल ऑफ द ओव्हरी इट गेट्स ट्रान्सफॉर्म्ड इंटू पेरिकार्प. सो पेरिकार्प मीन्स fruit wall of the fruit is called as pericarp. And you know that in the ovule two integuments are there, outer integument and inner integument. So these two integuments they form the seed coat. So outer integument forms testa and the inner integument forms tegmen. So testa and tegmen, these are the seed coat. Now fifth one, the diploid zygote, it develops into embryo, and you know that embryo it gives rise to new plant. Now triploid primary endosperm nucleus, TPEN, it is transformed into endosperm, and this endosperm acts as a nutritive tissue. पोषण करणारी एंडोस्पर्म कोणाचं पोषण करणारे एम्ब्रियोचं. आणि रिमेंबर the development of endosperm and development of embryo takes place simultaneously inside the embryo sac. Simultaneously म्हणजे एकाच वेळेस एम्ब्रियो सॅकमध्ये दोघांचीही डेव्हलपमेंट सोबतच होत असते, त्याला म्हटलेलं आहे सायमल्टेनियस डेव्हलपमेंट. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल सी अबाउट द डेव्हलपमेंट ऑफ एंडोस्पर्म. सी हियर there are three types of development of endosperm actually. The first one is nuclear type of development. So nuclear type of development of endosperm. See here, suppose this is the embryo sac. Suppose this is zygote here, means this is the micropylar end, okay, and here suppose this is the TPEN, this is triploid primary endosperm nucleus, and this red colored structure is suppose zygote. Now what happens in nuclear type of embryo endosperm development? Here first of all there is a nucleus of this triploid primary endosperm, it undergo meiotic division. So sorry, it undergoes mitotic divisions repeatedly. So repeated mitotic divisions takes place in the TPEN, and there is formation of many nuclei. Free nuclear division takes place. Now what will be the structure like this? No doubt simultaneously zygote also start developing. Zygote divides into two cell stage like this. So now this is called as embryo. Zygote is converted into embryo. At the same time this nucleus divides into many nuclei, and actually a vacuole develop in the center. See here, this is the vacuole, and this vacuole push the free nuclei towards the periphery. So all the free nuclei they are pushed towards the periphery. Okay. Now the next structure, what happens after the free nuclear division? So this is called as free nuclear division. So after free nuclear division, now what happens, the cell wall develops around the free nucleus. So this is the embryo, no doubt. Now vacuole as it is here, and now see here, suppose these are the free nuclei, which are developed due to the free nuclear division. Now cell wall develops around each nuclei like this. Okay, and in this way the multicellular now endosperm develops. So this endospermic development is called as nuclear division. And first of all only nuclei divide and later on the cell wall develops. Cell wall develops later. Such type of division is called as nuclear division. So most of the angiospermic plant they show nuclear division. So near about 161 families of the angiospermic plant they show nuclear type of endospermic development. Now second one is called as cellular type of development. So cellular type of development. What is difference between these two? Same structure we can draw. Suppose here this is the embryo sac, no doubt zygote is there, and suppose here there is TPEN. Okay. Now see here what happens here. When the nucleus of the TPN it divides directly, it gets converted into two cells. So first of all it divides into two. So this nucleus divides into two and here immediately cell wall formation takes place. Okay. Now this two cells divides into 4 like this, 4 cells divides into 8 like this. Here the multicellular endosperm is formed, and no doubt here there is embryo also. This embryo also develops at the micropylar end. So such type of division here no doubt it is also a repeated type of mitotic division, but the difference is that here nuclear division is immediately followed by cell wall formation. या ठिकाणी ताबडतोब सेल वॉल तयार होतो, मध्ये गॅप नसतो है ना. सो सच टाइप ऑफ डिविजन इज कॉल्ड एज cellular type of cell division. Now see here about 72 families mainly of the dicot plants actually they show such type of endospermic development. And the last type is called as halobial type of endospermic development. Now see here actually halobial type of endospermic development it is intermediate. ही मधली स्टेज दाखवणारी आहे म्हणून तिला म्हटलेले आहे इंटरमीडिएट. सो इट इज इंटरमीडिएट बिटवीन nuclear type and cellular type. Okay, between nuclear and cellular type. So how it shows the development of the endosperm. See here same, suppose this is the embryo sac, here there is a zygote. Okay, and suppose this is the nucleus, triploid nucleus, TPEN. What happens here? First of all, this nucleus undergo a cellular type of division. First division is like that of cellular type. How this divides the cell into two cells, and here see here the cell wall, transverse cell wall develops immediately after the division of the nucleus. Means this nucleus first of all divides into two by nuclear division, and immediately cell wall formation takes place. So, first division is like that of the cellular type. So, this is the first division, okay. And after that, no doubt, see here, every time imagine here there is embryo, like here. Now, after that this two cell structure, actually it forms a smaller cell towards the chalazal end and larger cell towards the micropylar end. Unequal division is there. Now, see here, like this, okay. Now, pre-nuclear division takes place in each cell. Suppose this is the micropylar cell, you can write here. Suppose this is the micropylar cell and this is the chalazal cell. Chalazal cell means micropylar end ला egg असतो तुम्हाला माहिती आहे म्हणून याला म्हणायचं micropylar end. No doubt here embryo is there, okay. So, embryo also develops along with the endosperm, है ना. So, free nuclear division takes place here, means only nuclei develops, only nuclei divide. So, this condition is similar like that of the nuclear type, okay. See here, nuclear type, free nuclear division, here same here, free nuclear division, and like the cell wall development later on, है ना. Similarly here also, now in this case the embryo also develops, multicellular embryo develops here, and now these nuclei, है ना, these nuclei they get surrounded by cell wall, okay. So, now see here, cell wall formation. So, cell walls are formed later on, okay. So, this condition is similar to the nuclear type, and here only the first division it shows similarity with the cellular type, है ना, with the cellular type. So, in this way this multicellular endosperm is formed. So, this is the endosperm, okay, multicellular endosperm which acts as a nutritive tissue. So, this is endosperm, this is endosperm, okay. So, this halobial type of endosperm occurs mainly in the halobials plant, that is some of the monocot plants belonging to the Halobiaceae family. So, halobials monocot, मोनोकॉट ज्याला आपण एक बीजपत्री वनस्पती म्हणतो ते याचे एक्झाम्पल आहे की त्याच्यामध्ये हा टाईप आढळतो आणि मोस्ट कॉमन टाईप इज न्यूक्लियर टाईप. ओके स्टुडंट, सो हिअर वी कंप्लीट द types of development of endosperm. Now in the next period we will study about the development of embryo, okay, which no doubt takes place along with the development of the endosperm. Okay.